Good, wonderful morning, everybody. Oh dear. So if you think I'm a bit puffed, it's because I'm going up and down these hills. So she's having a wacko time doing it. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. She was asleep in the car. Woke up to hear, she was so excited. It's supposed to be a hot day today. Another one. So about 34 degrees. And it's about 20 now. 22, I think it said when we left the car. There's a lot of these drums around. That's because it's the Friends of the Escarpment. They've been, for the last, probably 3 years, they've been doing revegetation. So those drums have got herbicide in them. And some have got just nutrients, like probably seaweed or something like that. What they're trying to do, the reason why they're taking so long, is they're trying to kill the invasive species, so it's all native. That's why it's taking so long, because you can't really kill off stuff and replant the native stuff until the herbicide leaches out of the soil. So it takes a long time. There's no point of planting things if they're going to just die. And there are a lot of foreign plants, unfortunately, that have come into Australia. I can hear the waterfall. This is not a long walk. We weren't planning on a long walk. We're looking for a short walk for about half an hour sort of thing. Keep going ahead, sweetie. Hey, this way. Tikaani, this way. We'll go down here. We'll try and make it as long as possible, although that's a pretty steep drop. So she might drag me down that. Yeah, so for Fahrenheit, it's, I think, like, it's about 100, between 100 and, I think, 104. I think it's closer to the 104 degrees Fahrenheit today. They're nice bushville, ain't they? And we're not the only ones here. There's a grain nomad party. They came here at the same time as we did, and there's probably about 10 of those grain nomads. So they've decided to come down. No, we don't want to go that way, sweetie. Oh, actually we do, because that's a dead end. I remember that. So we do actually want to go down that way. We'll see you soon, everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you at the falls.